Well, Happy New Year, everybody. In this video, the last week of 2023, I am going to give you a full rundown, not only of the last 7 day stats, but I'm going to review with you everything that took place in 2023 in comparison to 2022, and my thoughts on where we are headed in 2024. So let's get going. And in our local markets, coming soon, we have 3 new listings, 11, price change, 4, back on market, 3, active under contract, 12, pending, 14, closed, 20, expired, 3, canceled, 7, hold, 6, and withdrawn, 2. So this is pretty much more of the same. Very low numbers in the new listing bracket. Active under contracts, a little bit above that at 12, pendings are at 14, closed at 20. This is more of the same, just tells us we are still in a seller's market out here in Thousand Oaks, Westlake, Simi Valley, Moore Park. All right, that being said, I do think starting in the next couple weeks, we're going to start seeing a big spike in the new listings. All right, now let's move over to the year review of what's gone on. And right now we are looking at the median sales prices. As you can see right here, this line right here in the middle denotes the start of 2023, and where prices had gone in 2022, they had kind of dropped, then they spiked, then they dropped, and then they started coming back, mostly due to low inventory. So with this, looking at this graph, we are seeing, in terms of the number of sales, the same numbers practically as 2008, when we had one of the worst real estate markets in the history of the country. Yet in this market, we had a crash in sales, but not a crash in prices. Okay, so prices were up in 2023, 10.3%. Now these numbers only go to November, because obviously we're still in December, so we don't have December's total numbers yet. But I suspect there would be a little bit of a bump right here in the median sales prices. All right, let's look at prices per square foot. This is the median. Again, the top line is Westlake Village, the red line is Thousand Oaks, the green line is Simi Valley, and the gray line is Moore Park. So again, this is the start of 2023 right here. We were kind of slumping coming out of 2022. Interest rates were rising. You can see, though, that prices, due to low inventory, actually increased. Price per square foot, much like the sales price median, increased over the course of 2023. All right, then let's look at months of supply. And you can see, with the exception of Westlake Village, which a lot of this months of supply came from the ultra luxury market. There was a lot of homes for some reason that came on the market in Westlake Village, in Lake Sherwood and North Ranch Country Club Estates. So I don't know how to explain that, but inventory, with the exception of Westlake Village, Thousand Oaks, Simi Valley, and Moore Park, all slumped in inventory, which helped keep the prices high. All right, days on market. Let's see what the median days on market to get your home sold in 2023. Westlake Village is looking at 28. Thousand Oaks is looking at 26. Simi Valley is looking at 22. And Moore Park is looking at 19. So those are the most valuable stats that I think you can get a gist on what's gone on in 2023, and where, in my opinion, I think we are headed in 2024. Here are the interest rates as of today. A 30-year fixed interest rate, you can get it at 6.63%. A 15-year fixed, it's like laughable. Why would you get a 15-year at 5.96 when you can get a 30 at 6.63? And it seems like rates are going to come down, so you would just refi later. Jumbos today, 6.95. 5-in-1 ARM is 6.19. 30-year FHA is a 6.06. But remember, you do have to pay a PMI, private mortgage insurance, on top of that loan. 30-year veterans loan, that's a good rate at 6.07. All right, everybody. So where I think we are headed in 2024. As I said in my last videos, typically we see a spike in online searches in January. We see a spike in mortgage applications in January and February. And then by March, you are going to start seeing deals closing more rapidly. Obviously, right now the market is dead, and that's due to holiday time. But we are going to start seeing, in my opinion, a spike in sales. I know I am looking at my calendar and my list of business in my pipeline, and it looks like it is going to be a busy 2024 for me. So I suspect I'm not the only one that's about to get real busy. Um, so if you have any questions about buying or selling, investing, you're thinking about making a move, please don't hesitate. Reach out to me, send me a text, call me. I love getting calls, or shoot me an email. I will get in touch with you immediately. I am ultra responsive and I over communicate. Thank you so much for tuning in, everybody. If you like information about real estate, please like and subscribe to my channel. Remember, I'm Josh Brenner with Compass right here in Westlake Village. Thank you so much for tuning in. And don't forget to get some exercise today. Have a great one. Happy New Year. Bye-bye.